What is going on, guys? I'm Sandoval here with another live trading video. Today is Monday, January the 11th, 2021. Time is 9:26 Eastern time, so we got about 3.5 minutes before the market opens. In front of you, I have two charts. We got the nasdaq 100 and the S&P 500 on a 5-minute time frame. I am trading on a funded account. This is the evaluation account. You guys can go watch in the video that I have on how to get yourself funded, so you don't have to risk your own money. So go ahead and go watch that video. So with that said, guys, we are trying to get this account past the evaluation, meaning we gotta make $3,000 in the next with a minimum of 10 trading days without losing $2,500. All right, so with that said, guys, we're looking at today's, see the night session. Market was over here and it's just going on a downtrend. So right now it's kind of doing this retracement. So we're gonna wait for the market to open, and we're gonna see is if the market continues to go to the upside before it keeps dropping, or if it's just gonna market opens, gonna go up a little bit, not go past this resistance, and then just keep dropping. So we're just gonna wait. We're not gonna take any trades until we see a good setup. Again, we are trying to pass this evaluation account, so our goal is to make $300 every day for the next 10 days, so that way we can hit those $3,000. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna pause the video and I will get you guys back when we are getting ready to trade. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna take this trade, and what I'm gonna do is, since I don't know exactly if it's gonna do it or not, I'm gonna do break even at this point.
Target filled.
Alright, guys, target hit. So what I went ahead and did is, again, market open, close are here. We missed the next trade. We just waited patiently. Market retraced back to where we could have entered, and so we put that trade right now. And again, we're just looking for those $300 because we are in the evaluation account. So we got those. That's it. We're done for the day. We just gotta do this for the next 9 days, if possible. So that way we can pass our evaluation account and then just go into I guess you want to call it live account, where we can start withdrawing money. So with that said, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. Again, we hit our target goal for $300. If you guys have any questions, put them on the comments below. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that as well. And I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.